What's up, everyone? Once again, it's Exhibit 28, and today I got a package from Amazon, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so I started opening it already. Let's see. And this, awesome. Where's the front? This is my new Blue Yeti microphone. As you can see, I got the Blackout edition. Now let's get inside. So inside that outer box is another box. Everybody loves a box in a box. Open this up. And here is the USB cable. And these are the connections that it has. This is actually a really long cord. It's about 10 feet. Which I actually ordered a second cord because everything that I read was telling me that this came with like a 3 to 6 foot cord. So I guess I didn't need to order a backup, but it's always good to have a backup. Next we have, camera will not focus, little instruction booklet. And now we have inside that box styrofoam. Let's carefully take it apart. And as those come off, that's what the microphone looks like inside. Sorry, there's a bunch of styrofoam dust. Like dust flying around now. Rotate this around. Drying agent. Don't mess around with that stuff. Definitely not something you want to get in your mouth. So this is the Blue Yeti Blackout edition. I will be doing all of my videos pretty much from here on out using this microphone. And I will be doing a review of it, what I think about it. I'll do a video soon. But I just wanted to give a quick unboxing video for you guys. That's it. My new microphone, Blue Yeti Blackout edition. Thank you guys for watching. As always, you can find me on Twitter at exhibit_28. I will see you in the next video. Bye.